So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what is the number one traffic source that you can use. We call it old school traffic source that you can use to generate buyers and leads, especially if you're doing any kind of ClickBank affiliate marketing. So in this video, we're going to learn exactly step-by-step tutorial on what is number one secret, behind the scenes, on why you're struggling and why most of people of you watching this video, if you're watching this video right now, is struggling to make sales with ClickBank affiliate marketing. So number one mistake, as you can see here, is if you're like most of affiliates, right? You're sending all the traffic, all of the leads to your sales page, right? To the landing page and then straight to the ClickBank vendors page as fast as you can. And of course, the reason why is because you want to make quick money, you want to make quick sales, front-end sales, right? So this is the same like 15 years old boy with his first girl, right? Rushing to try and get to third base before he even got to his first base. Same thing, right? So let me show you why it's really important to understand positioning of your landing page if you are promoting any kind of, let's say, ClickBank affiliate offers. So for example, let's say that you're promoting over here, right, a weight loss offer over here from ClickBank, right? You're trying to get sales with this weight loss offer, right? But what is the thing? Why are struggling? Why most of affiliates are struggling to get sales with ClickBank supplement offers or any kind of offers, but in this case supplement offers? Is because they're using the wrong traffic source and they don't understand positioning of their landing page, right? Remember, landing page is not a sales page, but most of newbies, right, are treating landing page or pre-sale page as a sales page, which is not same. It's totally different thing. And most affiliates are struggling, losing time and money because they don't understand positioning and pre-selling, what they have to pre-sell, right? So let's go straight into it. You can see over here, right? We have written down top of funnel. So first of all, you have to understand. Let's imagine this is a pyramid, right? We have funnel here. So this is the funnel, right? This is the top of the funnel. Here is top of the funnel. Here, mid-section of the funnel. And here, bottom end of the funnel, right? Bottom end of the funnel are all the hot buyers, hot button buyers, right? Those people who have money. People with the money who buy the products. You don't have to persuade them, do any tricks. They just buy, right? But before you can even get to these people over here, you have to understand awareness levels, right? So let me show you what I mean by that. Let me show you over here. So you have to understand over here what is the awareness level, right? We have unaware audiences, right? We have aware audiences. We have product aware audiences, right? And then we have, for example, niche aware audiences, right? In the niche. So for example, if you are in the weight loss space or diabetes or cancer or whatever niche you are in, yes, those people are already in the niche. So for example, if you're promoting, let's say, weight loss offer, keto diet, yes, you are targeting people in that niche. Now, you can go step further. You can go to the aware audiences, but over here, if you go straight to the cold traffic, you have to understand psychology and mindset they're in. For example, let's say that we are over here, right? This is the river. Imagine this. We have a river, right? Here is the river. On this side, it's point A. Across the river, it's point B. So what you need to do to get person A across the river, right? You need to have a bridge. And in this case, for this bridge, it's called pre-sale page, bridge page, right? Why? Because we have to get a person A on this side. They are stuck on the hell island, right? They are on the hell island. So let's call this a hell island, right? They are in the hell island right now. Why? Because they are fat, they are overweight, they have, for example, diabetes, they have disease, they have pain and problems, right? So our job as an affiliate is to get them from the hell island to the heaven island. What is heaven island, right? Let's call it heaven island. Is the promised land, right? Benefits, features, benefits of the end results, what they're getting. They're getting health back, they're getting better diet plans, they're getting better product, right? They're getting better life. So this is the heaven for them, right? This is the heaven. But they're still stuck on the hell. You cannot get them across by calling them, hey, come over here, without showing them what the plan, how they will get over the freaking river, right? The pain point over here, hell, and get over with the bridge page, right? Helping them to go over to the Heaven Island to buy the product from ClickBank, for example, in this case. So what you need is pre-sale page. Now let me show you this. And most gurus in courses are not sharing with you this secret, which is basically you have funnel, right? You have pre-sale page. On the top is the top of the funnel, and then you have middle funnel, and then you have the end funnel, right? So you have 3 sections. In this case, you have to pre-sell 5 points, right? There are 5 very important points. You cannot leave out any of this, because if you do, you are definitely going to struggle to get a sale. It will be very confusing. If you want to keep it stupid simple, you have to keep these 5 points that I'm always sharing with my clients and students on your landing page, right? So basically imagine this. You are playing a golf, right? You just tap the ball inside the hole, right? Tap, pick, and that's your job as an affiliate. Tap, tap. You're tapping the balls into the hole. So if you did the marketing correctly, it's going to be very easy to get the sales, because you just tap the ball a little bit, push it a little bit over the fence, and it's inside the hole, right? Same thing with ClickBank affiliate marketing. You have to pre-sell 5 points on the landing page. Once you do this correctly, my friend, you are definitely going to get lots of sales, right? Why? Because you have different layers of audiences, and if you do all this correctly on your landing page, and later with opt-in and email marketing, collecting emails, right, building your asset, you are definitely going to be above everyone else. Why? Because you have ultimate advantage of every single affiliate out there doing the same freaking mistake, which is they're unaware. They're just sending the traffic to the sales page, and they are losing time and money. All the leads are gone, right? Wasted. You just waste 1,000 clicks from Google Ads. And in this case, I'm talking about Google Ads. So why? Because traffic source that I'm talking about is Google Ads. Old school, but working today, because we are looking for buyers, not prospects, right? In Google, people are there with the intention to buy. They go there to search information about the product, about the pain they have, problem they have, and they are looking and searching for the solutions to their pain and problems. So if you're using Google Ads correctly, and as I show you here, if you have the landing page set up correctly with top of the funnel, middle of the funnel, and end of the funnel, you're definitely going to have better, I dare to say, to guarantee you 90% better results than all the rest of the affiliates who are using from these high ticket, big ticket courses that you see on ClickBank, from ClickBank gurus every day, right? YouTube ads, profit, I don't know what courses, right? They are not teaching you that. They're not showing you exactly how to position your funnel and be different than from everyone else, right? But everyone is zagging, you have to zigging. So it's totally different, right? You have to do opposite from what the masses are doing. And masses are just copying and pasting freaking templates from these high ticket $2,500 courses that you can find on ClickBank. So if you really want to get results with ClickBank affiliate marketing, do this, what I said to you, right? So what to do next? If you really want to get results with affiliate marketing, ClickBank, MaxWeb, high ticket or low ticket products, doesn't matter, right? The system is the same. What you have to do is you can connect with me one-on-one after watching this video. So click on the links below this video, okay? All the links are in the description below. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with others so you can get more helpful tips. And if you want to get results, right? If you want to get serious results with affiliate marketing, yeah, you can connect with me one-on-one, but under one condition. Remember this: if you're serious and really committed about having sustainable results and having the mentorship, someone to guide you through, hold your hand along the way, right? Show the ropes and steps, build campaigns together with you, then you do need some money on the side. Let me be honest, you need to have some money. So do not contact me, do not reach out to me on WhatsApp or email if you don't have at least $500 to $1,000 US, right? you do need to have some budget like this. Minimum, I'm talking bare minimum, more better, so you can get serious results. If you're looking to get, let me tell you, if you're looking to get $10,000 per month or more, right, with ClickBank or any other affiliate network out there, ask yourself, imagine this, is it worth it to get one aha moment, one skill set that's going to help you to make $100,000 per year in 12 months, $10,000 per month, let's say, right? Would it be worth it to spend $3,000 or $5,000 US or $2,000 US to have $10,000 months or even $5,000 months? I don't know what your goal is, but let's be serious. Do not reach out to me if you don't have at least $500 US to $1,000 minimum. In that way, I can guarantee you to have some kind of results. Otherwise, I cannot help you at all. So, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and you can contact me one-on-one after watching this video in the description below.